Look, Elbert is handless, and he is standing on his own in the pool. Is this, and look at his balance. This is like the greatest day ever in the entire world.
I see you.
Oh my goodness. Hooray, Elbert. Elbert is conducting his own therapy session today. As you can see, he is standing on the side of the pool all by himself. He's been doing this this is the third time, making it look totally easy, and I'd say it is. This is pretty effortless. Of course, this comes after Ande Baumann at Huntsville Pool Land Therapy has only worked with him for about 14 years, and she can do anything. He is smiling to beat the band. Ande and all of her wonderful ladies here. Elbert's confirming that. Can you hear? Truly. Can't she, Elbert? Ande's amazing. Okay. Elbert did his own save. It was a great day, Elbert. Congratulations. Congratulations to Ande, too. Huntsville Pool Land Therapy can do anything. Truly, truly.